Hi, everybody. I wanted to share with you some information about our acne treatment and how to go about using it. And I'm going to actually use it along with our face wash because you'll know exactly when I tell you all of the phenomenal ingredients and what the product does. So we're basically going to be using our double botanical face wash and our complexion clearing acne pads. So first off, you're going to put the um, products, the face wash, on a dry skin. And it's oil based, so it's going to attract the oils from your skin. So I just put it on. And if you have makeup on, you don't need to use makeup remover, which is also will certainly affect your skin in terms of acne, oiliness. So you just put it on like that, and you can see that how it's glistening. It's actually pulling all of the pollution, all of the not the pollution, the oils, the excess oils, some environmental stressors, any of the makeup, and then you're gonna wet your fingertips or wet a face cloth. I'm using a face cloth because I don't want to get water all over my computer. And you're just going to add the water to it. It's gonna foam up. It's gonna take away all that dirt and grime. You can go right over top of your eyelids too. I have contacts in, and so you can take all your eye makeup off. Fabulous. It feels nice and light and refreshed. And let's just dry that off, although it feels fabulous. So just pat that dry. And now the complexion clearing pads are little pads, see, just like that. And they're soaked with the ingredient. And you're just gonna stay away from your eyes for one. And you're just going to clean off your skin and deliver all the ingredients into your skin. Super. Now, let me tell you about each of those pieces. I have to put my glasses back on because I can't see, I can barely see the computer, never mind be able to read anything. So let me put those back on. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about the Double Botanical Cleanser. So it actually removes makeup and impurities. It provides gentle yet effective cleansing, helps to remove the effects of air pollution on the skin surface. It also is pH balance, which works in harmony with your skin, which is important if you suffer from oily skin or acne. And so what that's why you want to use that to kind of set that up. So then to that, you will add the complexion clearing salicylic acid acne treatment pads. They exfoliate and clear acne, blemishes, blackheads, and whiteheads. And you might have noticed I said exfoliate. Yes, it's a natural exfoliant. So even if you don't have acne, this is a fabulous product to use as an exfoliant. You can use it every single day and not hurt your skin. It's going to penetrate the pores to reduce excess oil. It's going to soothe and calm irritated skin. It prevents dryness and evens skin tone. So I know sometimes you have like a oily T-zone, and if you use some of the other products, oftentimes it dries out the other areas of your skin that aren't oily. This is not going to do that. It's got SIG 1459, which is a patented exclusive ingredient to soothe and calm the skin. It has been presented to the Dermatological Society. There's all kinds of white papers on it. It is unbelievable in how these ingredients really help. And it's both of these products are vegan products, so they won't uh, they won't irritate your skin with no harmful chemicals or anything like that. And none of our products are tested on animals.